Okay, so guys, I'm making a very famous. Okay, guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very famous dish. It is known as sheer korma, and I'm just going to make one bowl for me because I love eating it, and I'm eating it all the time. I'll just love it. Okay, so this is just two servings. Okay, what I'm going to be making right now, two people can eat it, but of course if you want to make it in a larger quantity, then you will have to double everything. Like for example, if I'm making it for two servings, then you need to double the quantity for everything. You can also I will also make the recipe with 1 liter milk, but right now I'm just making two servings of this sheer korma, which is instant. So let me show you. First of all, I have condensed milk, which I will be using nearly 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, okay, because I don't want it very sweet. If you want to make it very sweet, the sweet dish, you can also put 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, and you can taste the milk afterwards to adjust the sugar. Now this is called vermicelli. This is the main ingredient for the sheer korma. The sheer korma is a very special dish. It is made in on Eid, and it's amazing. It's a tradition and culture of Muslim community to make the sheer korma every Eid. So for that I have taken vermicelli. I've taken nearly, you know, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of vermicelli, okay, depending upon the quantity of milk that I'm using. I've taken some chopped pistachios and almonds that I have used, and I've taken one cup of milk. Okay, maybe I will be using 1.5 cup of milk. This is just 1 cup, and I will be using another half cup of milk for to make the serving of two people. Okay, so for the serving of two people, I will be using 1.5 cup milk. I've taken just maybe 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachios and almonds, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vermicelli, 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can always put more to make this more sweet. Also, I'm going to use, and I've also used 1 tablespoon of asli ghee. Okay, this is ghee that I'm using. So let me show you now what I will be doing. Guys, in the 1 tablespoon ghee, I've added the vermicelli and the pistachios, and I'm going to let it mix for fry for a few minutes, and then I will take it out. Just for let it fry for 5 minutes. I have put the milk in the same pot in which I had, mixed all the pistachios and the almonds, and the milk is simmering. I've kept it on medium heat, and it's just give boil. It's boiling. While it's boiling, I'm adding this cardamom pods. Okay, this is cardamom pods. You can also put cardamom powder if you have. I don't have it, so I'm using just cardamom inside it. Uh, okay, you can use cardamom pods as well. So this is what the cardamom looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, so the camera, this is what the cardamom looks like. Now you can see that the milk is boiling, and now I'm going to let it come to a boil. I'm just going to mix it as well. Okay, yeah, so this is the cardamom pod. I don't know, it's not showing. Yeah, this is the cardamom pod. If you do not have a cardamom pod, you can use cardamom powder. Milk is boiling. I have also added the vermicelli in it and the pistachios, and now I'm going to add in the condensed milk. You can adjust the condensed milk according to your sweetness. I've just added 2 tablespoons because I don't like too sweet. You can also add 4 tablespoons if you want, or you can also add sugar if you don't have condensed milk. I want to show you that I want the sheer korma to be very thick. I don't want it watery. So that's why I'm letting the milk simmer for few minutes. I get a little bit thickish consistency. But you know what? If you want a very thin consistency, like a, you don't want the milk to become very very thick, and then you can just shut the stove because everything is already cooked. You just want the savaiya to become a little bit warm. Okay, so I want it thick. I'm going to leave it. So if you can see that the sheer korma is ready now, because and it's nice and thick for me. This is this is nice and thick. sheer korma खाओगी अनीका? So this is absolutely nice and thick, and I am gonna serve it out. If you want it to be in a thin consistency, you can you know close the stove as soon as you has the vermicelli is cooked and the milk is boiled, because I wanted the thick consistency of the sheer korma. That's why I have let it simmer for a few minutes, and now this is the correct consistency that I really want. So now I'm going to close off the stove. Okay, so my sheer korma is absolutely ready. It is this is what how it looks like, and it's really hot right now. It has all the pistas, almonds, and everything in it, and it has asli ghee in it. It has vermicelli in it, milk in it, and it's so healthy to eat. It has condensed milk, which is unhealthy, but of course, it's meaty Eid, and and this is a sweet dish, so we have to use condensed milk in this recipe. And this is what we make every year for Eid, and this is an amazing treat. This is servings for two people. You can double this quantity and make it for four people if you would want to make it, and give it a try. Subscribe to my channel. This is what the sheer korma looks like. This is आज मैंने कस्टर्ड खाया था. This is what the sheer korma looks like. It's so delicious, so creamy.